Oh, hey guys. Hey. Just finished a nice little lunch and some beers at Six Rivers Brewery right over here, and now we're headed back home. By the way, we're here with Gaston and Lindsey. We're in their van.
Ain't nobody got time for that.
Newly discovered, ain't nobody got time for that. Only 10 years late. We're fine.
Okay. And we're having a good day.
That's what I was trying to do.
It's been a good day.
It's been a great day.
It's been a great day. We are on the Mad River doing some fishing. It's about 5 o'clock. We heard that some fish were coming up, and so we decided to come down and check it out. We just had a lot of rain, so it's supposed to be getting pretty good. We're maybe a little early, but the fish are starting to push, so hopefully see what we get. That's Dustin. We only have one pole, so we're taking turns. Right now it's his turn. Hello. Fixing a leak. Trying to fix a leak. When in doubt, duct tape it. Feels good to be back. We haven't done one of these in a while. And we're back, kind of, for a couple hours. But in a few days, we'll be back, be back on the road. Awesome. Just us.